Hello, my name is Peter Adamic of Academic Actuary, and I'd like to warmly welcome you to our Academic Actuary community. This is just a brief welcome video where I'd like to introduce you to myself so you get a sense of who I am, and also to underscore and highlight some of the main attributes of our Mathematical Statistics VEE course that we offer. So thank you again for being here with us. I guess I'll start with myself. I've been involved in the actuarial profession for over 20 years. Some of those years were in industry, but the bulk of those years were in academia, where I taught mathematics, statistics, and actuarial science. I conducted research in those same areas. I've mentored students all the way from undergraduate to postdoctoral fellows, and supervised actuarial students specifically in taking exams. So I very much understand the needs of aspiring actuaries. I've written many actuarial exams myself. I understand the needs of students. I understand the time constraints that students have. And I've developed a course consonant with those needs in mind. So let's move on to the attributes that I want to highlight about the course that we're offering. First and foremost, I'd like to emphasize that our course is SOA approved. We went through the process of having our course vetted by the Society of Actuaries, and rest assured that if you take the course with us and you get the requisite mark, which is a minimum of a B-, that you will get credit for Mathematical Statistics VEE. The second attribute that I'd like to underscore is that our course fee is affordable and well below the industry average. We allow 2 assessment or exam attempts in the course fee, and there are no hidden fees. So there's just one fee up front. You don't have to pay again to write the exam or the assessment, I call it. We have 2 attempts included if you need. Now, if you do need to take a 3rd attempt or even a 4th attempt, there will be an additional fee if it goes that far. But rest assured that you get 2 attempts and that our rates are quite competitive. Lastly, I'd like to highlight the streamlined nature of the course. Now, this can be appreciated in many different ways, and there's many aspects to this. First, there's my pedagogical approach to teaching. It's very pragmatic. I understand that students have a lot on their plate and they need to get things done quickly and efficiently. This comes through in my lecture style and also in my textbook, where I sort of cut to the chase. We get right down to the essentials that you need and drill exercises so that you appropriate key concepts quickly and efficiently. So you're not dealing with large amounts of material that you have to sift through to just, appropriate a few key concepts. We just get right to it. And that's really a style that is interwoven through my whole curriculum. So I've called it here a direct, clean teaching style. I do not assume any prior statistical knowledge, so it's streamlined in the sense that if you haven't taken any prior statistics classes, that will not be a huge impediment to you enrolling in this class. The only thing I do require is that you have some prior calculus knowledge so that you're able to take derivatives and do simple integration with ease. So 1 or 2 courses in calculus would probably be sufficient in that regard. Now, it's preferable that you have taken a statistics class before, but you can still enroll in this class and succeed if you haven't. Okay, there'll just be a little bit of extra work. You'll have to study chapters 2, 3, and most of chapter 4 in the textbook to bring you to a level of statistical competency to do the remaining core chapters of this course. It's also streamlined in the sense that we provide full solutions to all of the textbook exercises. A lot of textbooks, they'll only show answers at the back of the book, and sometimes they only show the answers for the odd numbered problems. I never found this overly useful as a student. So we provide full solutions to all of the exercises found in the course textbook, not just the answers, the full solutions. So if you're stuck on a problem and you don't know how to solve it, you'll see a worked out solution so you understand what's happening. We also provide a sample assessment or a sample exam, depending on what nomenclature you want to use to describe it. It's a 2.5-hour exam that you'll write at the end of the course online. And we provide a sample one. So it's 40 questions with 5 options to choose for the multiple choice questions. Okay, and so it'll be very similar in style, in level of difficulty to the one that you will see when you're ready to write the final assessment. The final assessment can be taken online at your convenience when you want. So I'll talk more about that in our How It Works video, which you can access if you look on the header. So I think that's about all I wanted to cover in the welcome video. Again, my name is Peter Adamic, and it's great for you to be involved in our academic actuary community. You can see that my email address is there at the bottom of the video. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Take care.